Mukesh Ambani's led Reliance Industries likely to sell almost $1 billion in its JioFiber asset to Saudi Arabia's public investment funds. This deal came into prominence after public investment fund rival Abu Dhabi Investment Authority renegotiated the same deal with Jio and offered $1 billion in its pan-India fiber assets. At present, as the Indian conglomerate is keeping mum about this matter, let's check out more about this story in our today's BizBit Prime. According to reports, Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund and its rival Abu Dhabi Investment Authority are in talks with Mukesh Ambani-led Reliance Industries on investing as much as $1 billion in Jio's fiber assets. Reportedly, PIF plans to regi its $300 billion worth portfolio. The portfolio of this investment includes booking profits from Silicon Valley, big oil and aviation bets, and withdrawal from English Premier League club investments. Addingly, both ADIA and PIF have contributed to Jio Platform's $20 billion fundraising exercise. The total funding inserted by them into fundraising was about $2.2 billion, which comprised the world's 13 major tech investors coming on board in less than 3 months to buy stakes in JioPoint lead. According to Ambani Family Associate, the world's biggest company in terms of market cap, Saudi Aramco, is also in talks with Reliance for its refining and petrochemical businesses. He added, from a pure vendor arrangement between an oil producer and a refiner, both Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman and Reliance Industry Chairman Mukesh Ambani want to cement their association as strategic partners. Earlier, Aramco had announced 2 major investment plans in India. First, its strategic investment in Maharashtra's Greenfield Petroleum Refinery, and second, Aramco seeks to acquire $15 billion worth stake in refining and petrochemical business of Reliance Industry. In 2019, Reliance Industries seeks to unlock value in its fiber assets, and in order to do so, RIL divested its tower to Canada's Brookfield for Rs 25,215 crore. This decision at initial stage was the part of a series of time-bound asset monetization initiatives to par debt. Later, RIL had transferred its tower and fiber assets to 2 specific purpose vehicles SPVs owned by 2 SEBI-registered infrastructure investment trusts. But again in December 2019, due to the differences in commercial and operating terms between Reliance and an ADIA-led consortium of GIC of Singapore and an infrastructure-focused fund I Squared Capital, the whole investment deal was shunned. Interestingly, Mukesh Ambani's family office had again shown interest and offered to co-invest at the time because the stake involved inside the deal was the controlling stake in the fiber INVIT Jio Digital Fiber. The tower trade is yet to receive regulatory approvals. On July 8, a report published in Economic Times about the re-engagement of ADIA and Reliance signaled the PIF to offer the same deal. In India, the increasing rate of work from home, schooling, entertainment, culture has catalyzed a shift in consumer preferences, which resulted in making investment theses more strong in a country which is already among the most underpenetrated in Asia broadband connectivity. According to market trends, the fixed broadband penetration in India is currently less than 20%, while that of wirelines is 7%. Surprisingly, Jio has built up the largest fiber network in the country and aims to take advantage of the market that is expected to grow 2 to 5 times in terms of subscriber. Therefore, the ADIA and PIF are expected to be the anchor player in the InvIT IT and PIF, possibly leading the consortium in the tower InvIT IT along with the Canadian pension fund BCIMC and Singapore's GIC. Mukesh Ambani-led Jio's entire business model basically thrive on the raging digital infrastructure, high quality but affordable services via monetized bundle offerings, and via the commercial launch of fiber services. Jio's long-run goal is to target the post-paid segment through its mobile number portability feature and bundled offerings for the home users. Keeping the action pipeline active, Jio's current flag bearer fiber to the home services has already connected 1 million users. In the coming future, Jio aims to connect another 500 million customers and over 50 million homes and 15 million enterprises and high-speed fiber across 1600 cities in the next 5 years.